Hello everyone, welcome to Tutorial Expert. In this video I'm going to show you how to change reply to email for your campaigns and flows. So first, what you want to do is click on campaigns and then you want to select any of the campaigns that are currently in draft. If they are in the sent, you can't edit them anymore. So select your campaign, click on continue at the bottom right, and once you are here, you can see this sender email address. So basically whatever you write here, and if somebody replies to that email, you will get it to that email address. So if for example it's a@gmail.com, I will get it at this address. If it's b@gmail.com, I'll get it at this address. But you can have separate reply to email. So let's say you have B here, you actually send all of your emails from here. So it can be like sales@company.com. And when people reply back, you want it to go to support@company.com. And that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe. And also, if you want to support the channel, click the first link in the description.